you for watching Leaders LED video. In this video, I will introduce this amazing emoji card sign for you. Look, this one is powered by this secret light. One set includes this secret light and one suction cup for you attract it in your car window. So this card sign programmed by your phone with a Bluetooth. Look, this is the app. Just I program the leaders and send to this screen. First, you should connect the Bluetooth. Check here. Click here to click it. Look, it's sound activities. Okay. You should before program you should check the parameter, set speed, set brightness, so it can scrolling faster and slow, and set the brightness to high and low brightness. Okay, and then back to program your messages. Here you can program with built-in lot of image and GIF. Look, I upload this image to this screen. Yeah, it's very shining, right? And also it can it supports you customize the image, and you just click here and tap this image icon, then to program. Some people may ask if it can display the numbers. Yes, my answer is yes, of course. Like I type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Oh, I forgot to choose the color. Here, look, they have lot of color for your choice because this is rainbow color LED screen, so you can select the color for different messages. I choose the auto. If you choose custom color, you can selection different color for each messages. Okay, I click the OK, and then send. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just I program these messages, and also you can choose the different move action. There are 1, 2. There are 8 move action for you choose different. Like left, right, slow, up and down, press, mark. Yes. And also just I show you this music. Yeah, very nice. Imagine if you use it attracting your car window and to show your message scrolling and up and down jump your customized message. It is very high attractive. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. It's made by leaders.